How to change Facebook page name. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to learn how we can change our Facebook page name easily. So let's just get started without any delay. Open our Facebook app on our phone for that. And once we have opened it up, we can look out for the menu option in the top left. And go ahead and select the page that we want to edit. And from here, once we are in the page, all we gotta do is look out for the three dot option in the top and tap on it, and it will open up this section. We can just go over and edit the page info from the section here. Otherwise, we can switch to the page first. So go to the main menu and look out for your page and switch it up. Switch up to another page, and once you have switched up to the page, we can open up the page settings, look out for the menu once again, and then just go over and tap on your page profile. After we have done so, this opens up. What we can do is now you can just go over and look out for your name, and here we can just go over and edit out. So here we have this name available. We can tap on it, and here we'll be finding different options here. So if you want to change the name, tap on the three dot in the top right corner, and here tap on edit, and that will provide us with the edit page. Now here we can just go over and change up our name. If that option is available here, we can change it. We have different options for bio, category, and many more that we can use here if we want to really change our name here. Or tap on the name, and once we've tapped on it, here we'll be finding an option called other names that we can tap on within the page information section, and we can select up the type, what type it is, and we can just go over and type in the new name that we would like for our page, and go ahead and tap on the option called save and save the changes, and it should be viewed on our screen directly. We can just go and refresh it, and when we do, it should provide us with a new name. It may take a while for that to happen, but usually it's permanent sometimes, so you can try out this method and see if that changes your page name. So we hope this video was helpful, and give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials.